super excited. We were headed out to Portland on the bus, about a 5-hour bus ride, round trip, to check out a car that was there. The guy called and canceled. No big deal, but we checked out this Volvo yesterday, and 2001, and everything checked off the list as, you know, very much acceptable for the standard. You know, our budget's only like $8, $9, maybe $1,000. Anyways, long story short, worked out. You know, we're gonna meet the guy at 5 o'clock today, and you know, I've already test driven the car and everything, and it worked great. So it's a big day for the family. You know, to get a vehicle. You know, I've been walking everywhere for the most part for the past year, or actually past 2 years, if you include Ohio as well. Just walking everywhere anytime I need something. So to get back on that horse and get some traction, having a vehicle is huge for us. You know, we're gonna go ahead and use it to get down to San Diego while my family stays here in Oregon. We'll go down there to the Sand Innovation Lab and rock it out. You know, we're gonna do some big things out there, Mundo and I, and you know, we're gonna beta test everything, prototypes, get things going. So this car is a big step. You know, it's an integral, important component to getting down to San Diego. So, with that.